This is American painting, and we're in front of a home that had failed tex-cote genuine, where the cracks happened and the material would chip off and not last. And there was a lot of scraping to remove a lot of failed material. And after I scraped the cracks and removed the failed material, I went ahead and I power washed the whole house and then primed those cracks individually and then filled them with an elastic filler, textured. And then I went ahead and primed the whole house and coated it with elastomeric paint, which is very flexible and will last a long time. This is American Painting here in San Diego. I'm the owner, Marcelo Berman, and our phone number is 858-255-4565. This should last a quarter century.